In this presentation, I'll be going over a short checklist that shares the best free traffic method. By the end of this, you'll learn the details of what to do. Well, let's begin. Now, I must give you a disclaimer. Your results vary. Use this as informational purposes only. The results are up to you. I am not guaranteeing your result. I am, however, sharing what works. First thing you want to do is you want to choose a Clickbank product to promote. Then you want to create an opt-in page. A website URL is needed that collects the emails. This begins your email process daily. Of course, your choice is up to you. You can do an automatic autoresponder, or you can do like I'm doing at the time of this recording, using manual methods. Emailing human to human. You send traffic to the opt-in page from the content on the platform of your choice. You can also pay for traffic, such as solo ads or other ad methods. It's totally up to you. After someone clicks your link and buys the product, you get paid. So I told you it's a short checklist, and I just wanted to make a very short video and get right to the point and leave out anything else that might be extra. You now know how to make $100 per day from Clickbank in 2020 for Clickbank for Beginners. I do have other videos on my channel that teaches more in depth on Clickbank and how to use it. You're more than welcome to check that out.
Hey guys, thanks for watching this video. I'm curious, what made you click this thumbnail and watch this video? Was it the thumbnail? Was it the description? Was it curiosity? Please leave a comment below. I greatly appreciate your feedback. Thank you.
Remember to click the link below for my free ebook of proven successful steps. Be good to others, because God has been good to you. Until the next one, take care.